In this video today, guys, we're going to be doing steaks reverse seared in a Masterbuilt Gravity Fed Smoker. We're also going to whack in some baked spuds just so we've got a side and we can keep telling ourselves that potato is a vegetable. All right, what we have here is 2 ribeyes. You will notice there's a couple of different sizes. This is a bit larger and a bit thinner. This is a bit smaller and a bit fatter, but we will still be using the same cooking process for both. The timing will just be subtly different. Doesn't take much to prep these. We just need a good seasoning. You can pick whatever you want. We're going to use some bovine espresso here, so we get a bit of coffee, salt, pepper. You also want a bit of a binder, so you just use a dash of olive oil. So to accompany our reverse seared ribeyes, we're just going to do some jacket potatoes. We'll finish them with a few other bits and pieces, which you'll see a bit later. Prep wise, it's easy. Just washed. I really don't care what potato it is, to be perfectly honest, as long as it's tasty. You're just going to drizzle it with a bit of olive oil. We're also just going to prick a whole heap of little holes just all over it so the skin doesn't burst and tear apart, because we want that to sort of form a bit. It's also going to be where most of this smoke is going to be, and that smoke flavour. It's the whole reason we're doing this, let's be honest, so we don't want to miss out on it. Okay, so we've pulled our ribeyes out. They just hit 120 Fahrenheit. Now we're going to just leave them to rest. We've flipped our grills over to the sear side, so we've got a bit better surface area. We'll get a nice crust on it. Now we're going to jack the Masterbuilt up. Super complex process. Just turn the dial. You'll hear it start screaming. 5-10 minutes, should be up to temperature. Now it's time to eat. Yeah, that'll work. As you see, it's really not hard. Thanks for watching, guys. Full recipe and method is in the description. Click the link. Have a good one.